Say hello. Hello guys. Hello YouTube. I got a new camera, guys. I'm so excited. This is awesome. I can see myself rather than not being able to see myself and like just winging it, you know? So, are you ready for this? Today, I'm gonna be making protein coconut donuts. Let's get started. I'm gonna be using coconut ice cream, 1UP Nutrition protein powder, coconut flour, shredded coconut, pink Himalayan salt, applesauce, baking powder, liquid sweet drops, egg white, unsweetened cashew milk. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna preheat the oven to 350, and now we can start making the batter. First, we're gonna grab a bowl and add the ingredients, you know? So 1 scoop of protein powder, 6 tablespoons of coconut flour, 3 tablespoons of shredded coconut. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it so far. Half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of applesauce, a pinch of pink Himalayan salt, 2 drops of liquid stevia, half a cup of egg whites, half a cup of unsweetened cashew milk. This is what happens when your boyfriend uses your cooking utensils. Shamey burnt this. What? Now mix everything together. Okay, everything's mixed. I'm going to grab donut pan. Next, we're going to spray coconut spray all around. And we're going to evenly pour out the batter. What they will look like is this. Now we bake them. In the meantime, I'm making the frosting. I'm using a scoop of the coconut ice cream protein powder and a dash of unsweetened vanilla cashew milk. This is what it looks like. Shout out to 1UP Nutrition for supplying the best protein powder ever. Discount code FitByJennifer for 20% off. Something smells fishy. Oh my God, they are done. I'm gonna let these cool for 15 minutes and then I can add the frosting. I made that. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos to come, you know? Peace.